Hey guys, so today I'm going to be reviewing this water softener cover. It comes in this little pouch, which I find very practical because you can protect the cover when you're not using it. And I just love that it fits perfectly in this little bag for me to put it away when I'm not using it. And this is the cover itself. It's very large, so it's going to fit any kind of size of water softeners. And it's made out of this very durable and protective material, which is going to be great for water softeners that are outside like ours. This is the Velcro that it's very easy to place in your water softener. So you just place it behind and you can Velcro it and it's going to be super secure in the water softener. So now I'm gonna place it in our water softener so you could see how easy it is to place. So this is how you are supposed to place it, and here in the back I'm just gonna Velcro it. It's super easy. It literally takes 5 seconds, and I just love that it's super easy to place on the water softener and that my water softener is going to be super protected. And yeah, it just fits perfectly in my water softener, and I just find that the Velcro is super convenient for easy placement of the cover to the machine. Another feature from this cover, it's that with this clear cover, you can access the buttons in your water softener, so you can use the machine without taking the cover off, which is super convenient. You can click all the buttons and see everything clearly. And it also has these zippers, so it is super easy to load your water softener without taking the cover off, as I mentioned previously. So as you could see, I'm very easily opening the water softener, and I can just zip it back whenever I'm done loading the machine. And I just absolutely love that I don't have to take off the cover for me to use the machine. I can load it or look at the little screen on top and just click all the buttons. So final thoughts on this product, I think that if you're looking for a cover for your water softener, this is a great option, great quality, works great, and I just love it.